Hey everyone, welcome back to day 3 of the 100 Days of Python series. In today's video, we are going to understand Python data type, what they are, how they work, and why they matter. So let's dive in. The first question is, what is data type? So here I will explain it. And second question, common Python data types. And third question, why it matters. And fourth, I will create it for you practice task. So stay tuned. We will discuss about what is data type. So in Python, every piece of data has a type. In Python, every piece of data has a type. Knowing as knowing the data type help Python decide what operation can be done with the data. For example, number can be added but string are combined differently. So second is common Python data type. So here are the most common used data type in Python. So I can you explain in VS Code. So not if you are not know what is VS Code, I will discuss about it in the next chapter. So first I will create here a file that's name main.py, and I will start with the integer data type. So when I create a variable, inside the variable I store 10. So I can explain this is a variable and this is the variable value. So this is a integer data. So this variable contain a integer data type. Okay, this integer data type is a whole number. So next data type is floating point. So number with a decimal point is called floating point. So when I create a variable and store a floating point. So this is a variable and this is the value. So this variable contain a float float value. So this is the float floating point. And third one is string text value. String, when I create some value and here I will type some text. So this is a string value inside the variable. So this is a string. Anywhere you will see the string, this call a string data type. So fourth is boolean data type. Fourth is boolean data type. So there is some it is a very it is a very so I am stuck what I can say next line. So give me some time. This is a integer. This is a integer data type, and I will. And this is a floating data type. This is a floating data type, and this is a string data type. Okay, this is a string data type, and next one is boolean data type. Okay, the next one is boolean data type. Boolean data type. The boolean data type is true or false. The boolean data type is true or false. So I will create here a variable, assign a value true, so that this variable contain a boolean data type. This is so I hope you are understand. And next one is NoneType. Represent no value. So when I represent a no value in a variable, this call a NoneType data. Okay, so I will have this. Okay, I hope you are understand. None data type. Okay, so you can check the type of any the next one point is you can check the type of any variable using the type function. So if you want to check the variable data type, so you can simply type like this is a type function, and inside the print function, and I will have. So when I run this code, give me some time. When I run this code, okay, uh, this will give some time. Okay, there will a output. There is a output integer because x is contain integer data type. Okay, and next is why it matters. The next question is why it matters. Why it matters? Why are data types important? Question. Because if you are trying to perform an operation with mismatched type, Python will throw an error. For example, you can't add a string and a and an integer directly. Okay, I hope you are understand that I cannot I cannot add string into string into integer value. Sorry, here I will type something like this, and name is equal to Dinesh. So when I run this code, this will give me print age plus name. This will give me an error because of that this is a string this is a string value and this is a number value. So this cannot be add. So the main thing is when I print when I print when I when I print str converted age, so and then name, this will not give me an first I will comment it out and rerun. Here we'll go 19 and Dinesh. Okay, I hope you are understand what can I am saying. The practice for you, practice task. I have some practice task for you. Here is a simple task for you. Create five variables, one for each of these type: int, float, str, bool, none, and print their value and type using print and type. Okay, this is your practice task. So that's it for day 7, day 3. Today you learn what data type are in Python and how to work with them. Make sure to try the practice task yourself. If you if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the bell for day 4. Until then, keep coding, keep learning. Okay, thanks for watching.